guys, so today I will be sharing with you a DIY hair growth serum that can help you grow back your thinning hairline or receding hairline, or if you're trying to grow more baby hairs, or maybe if you are dealing with dry, itchy, and flaky scalp, then this DIY is for you. So if you all are interested, then let's get started. So the first ingredient is using coconut oil. Now coconut oil is great to use to grow your hair long, thick, and fast, and coconut oil as well has essential fatty acids that can help nourish the scalp, and it can also treat dry, itchy, and flaky scalp. The second one is using castor oil. Now castor oil has some antibacterial and antifungal properties that can fight against dandruff and any scalp infection. It also has some ricinoleic acid content that helps increase circulation to the scalp and improve hair growth. And the next one is using tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is ideal to use for healthy scalp and for growing healthy long hair because it helps unclog hair follicles and nourishes the roots. It also gently cleanses and moisturizes the hair and scalp, plus it has some antifungal and antibacterial properties. And the next one is we are going to be using some peppermint oil. Now peppermint oil promotes hair growth because it increases the circulation to the area it is applied to, plus it gives your scalp a really cooling and a minty sensation when you apply it. The last one is using rosemary essential oil. Now rosemary essential oil can improve both hair thickness and hair growth because it has the ability to improve cellular generation. There's also a study that was conducted that a rosemary oil performed as well as Minoxidil, and Minoxidil is a common hair growth treatment. It also has some antifungal and antibacterial properties that is ideal for healthy scalp. Okay, so in a bowl, I will add in 5 tablespoons of coconut oil and 7 tablespoons of castor oil. And then I will use tea tree oil, and to that I will add in 3 drops of it. And then the next one is peppermint oil. I will also add in 3 drops of that. And then lastly, I will add in 4 drops of rosemary oil. And from there, I will mix everything in, and then I will put that into that little container right there. So here is our hair growth serum. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. And actually with this can last you for a really long time if you make this much, because you don't need to put this all over your hair. You need to focus this on your scalp or in the areas to where you want more hair, or just on your recession area, or in the places to where you want more baby hairs there. So but what you do, of course, is you just take some, just a little bit, because all you have to do is just put that onto your scalp or onto the places to where, as I've said, you want more baby hairs, or just in the recession areas that you want your hair to grow. Or you can also use this as a leave-in hair growth serum on your hair. So you can use this throughout the day, or you can just use this at night and then wash it off the next day if you don't want oils in your hair. But however, as I've said, when you use this, just use it sparingly. And also one thing that is great about this, if you leave this on, it's not going to leave you that pungent smell because it has essential oil. So your hair is actually going to smell good the rest of the day. And not only is it good for hair growth, but this is also great to use if you are dealing with dandruff as well, or just maybe dry scalp. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and once again, share it to a friend if you found this video valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!